viewers, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. In this video we'll going to the targeting how to control volume and how to control just like brightness of the laptop. You can see we are going to the giving demo and going to the directory of the window terminal. Open the CMD and the Python version. Python is 3.7 point something, you can see it. So I will be quiet. So let's move on the code. Python script name is the given volume brightness control. This script will be updated in the GitHub account, so you get from the GitHub account. So you can see the result within seconds with CPU based. Okay, it's high accurate and very fast algorithm with mediapipe library. So you can see the controlling of the voice and yeah, here you can see the voice will be controlled. So I am playing the voice with the voice controlling 0 100 0 100 and check the speed. So it's very high accurate. Google team will be develop the mediapipe computer vision library, so it's working very fine. So we are also trying to the bright control in this video. So we are checking to the already we are creating videos hand detection. You already know the and 58 points. Okay, so we are controlling both in the two hands. So it will be one by one. One hand will be control voice, second hand control will be brightness. So I will show you bright log. So it's taking time. No, it's not taking time. It's very good delay. Okay, so one hand will be down, so then you can see the icon of the brightness controlling. So you can see that I'm also trying again. So now you can see the one hand left hand will be trying to the icon of the bright control. Yeah, you can see it. So it will be control brightness. Okay, I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting information.